Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Yumi, and today we will learn how to read phrases for beginners. But please don't forget to subscribe and please click the notification bell so that you'll get notified for my next video upload. So, are you ready? Let us start. He had to. He had to. She said that. She said that. To the. To the. You and I. You and I. But they said. But they said. On a. On a. For his. For his. Of that. Of that. That was in. That was in. It was. It was. Okay, it's your turn to read. Okay, thank you and God bless. And I hope that you learn from today's reading lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my FB page. Video lesson and reading materials based on milk. And also reading lessons, reading tutorial, reading materials, and reading worksheets. And please join our group Grade 1 Sinubuanong Binisaya.